Welcome to CIM's e-learning portal. This video is about logistics centres. Let's start with an example. Company X is a logistics service provider with subsidiaries in Munich, Hamburg, and Paris. Because these subsidiaries are based in different locations, each one is a separate logistics centre. Two roles are available for managing your logistics centre, otherwise known as LC for short. The first role is that of the Logistics Centre Administrator. Logistics Centre Administrators are not assigned to specific logistics centres. Consequently, they can see the data in all logistics centres. The second role is that of the Logistics Centre Manager. Logistics Centre Managers only have access to the data in their own logistics centres. In PROLAG World, you can set up any number of logistics centres to meet your specific requirements. You can also categorise your logistics centres into primary and secondary logistics centres. Regardless of the time zone they are in, all logistics centres can be interconnected in PROLAG World. This means that a single PROLAG World system can link logistics centres all over the world. Various options are available for managing data across multiple logistics centres. Articles can be managed jointly. Goods can be delivered to customers in parallel or from a single central point. Or stock can be replenished between logistics centres. Thank you for listening.